Should I take a bite? Do it. Here I go. Oh my. Happy Easter. I'm going to show you guys something that's very special to me. So when I was a little girl, for our birthdays, my mom would make these cupcake cones. I have a photo of me having this at my preschool, and I would always get so excited. I thought it was so clever and creative of my mom. So I wanted to show you guys my version of it for Easter. This is something you should definitely do with the kids. They will absolutely love it. Let's get started. Use a box of cake mix, or you can make it from scratch if that's what you would like. But I feel like this is ultimately for the finished product and making this with the kids and for the festivities. So we used a box. You're going to pour a little batter into a cupcake pan, and we're gonna take our cone and you're gonna plop it on top. Now, if you know me, I don't love baking. It's never been my favorite thing to do, but on occasion I will do it. I don't love to follow directions. Now, my sister, on the other hand, is a great baker. All right, so we're gonna pop these in the oven and then we'll go from there. They're fresh out of the oven. We've got frosting, jelly beans for the nose, chocolate chips for the eyes, got some shredded coconut. We're gonna finish it off with marshmallows. You're gonna slice them diagonally and you're gonna make the little ears. But look how cute she is. You know your kids are gonna lose their mind when they see this. I'm crazy. Okay, let's do it. All right, you're gonna take your cone with your cupcake and you're just gonna spread that icing real nice. The cone with the cupcake honestly tastes so good. If you've never had this, I don't know if this is like a 90s kid thing or what it is, but if you've never had this, you've gotta give it a try. We gotta bring it back for this generation. Now we're gonna take our coconut. Now we're gonna take little eyes, just right there. Little eyes there. Okay, we're gonna do a little nose. Can y'all see it okay? Oh, there we go. I should probably just face it my way. Y'all just gotta deal with that. I'm gonna show you the ending in a minute. Our little marshmallow. I'm gonna plop it here. I'm gonna do this little guy here. Look how cute. Isn't that sweet? Oh, we gotta put a little bit more coconut. Isn't that the cutest? This one's maybe winking at us. Let's do another one. There we go. So the face is on. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the ears so that you have a really good example. Marshmallow, cut it diagonally. We're gonna take a little bit of pink frosting. We'll place that right there. And there you have it. Ah, so cute. Y'all, isn't this precious? I don't even wanna eat it because it's just so cute. This is the perfect Easter day treat. Make this after church with the kids. Make it a fun little Easter activity. Kids will go nuts and it's just something fun you guys can do together. But enjoy and a happy Easter.